Yes, there are two options, written or issued, versus issued. Then here are the names of the components. We have to select the component name and quantity. Then we have to submit.
They are able to say more than 260 likes. We will get a MRI scan, and then within 24 hours it will be ready.
I see. So you are able to do this actual patient, actual patient.
MRI scan, we get the report from AIIMS and hospitals, and then we do that. This is a drone they made. So this is the entire 3D printing.
We are supplying parts to Gaganyaan and Chandrayaan and all.
So dental also you do lots of it. So you have
This is for the dental.
yes, sir. He is now he's in a state level. He won the gold medal, and he is the mentor person. So he is the national award of President National Award recently. Yes, yes. He is one of our specialties in especially in solar. Solar is like another 600 years. We want to have a green energy.
Good afternoon, sir. So this is our smart lab assistant, and its name is Addy, and it is having many features like it is based on purely AI, and it will help to assist the trainees as well as the faculty. If we need any questions or any query, we can ask her, and it will answer to that question immediately. Yes, my boy.
Yeah, but you can start talking. I can ask any question. Only about your work. I can do anything else.
Yes,
Is Bhubaneswar a nice city to visit?
Absolutely. There are plenty of great cities to explore. Do you have any particular region or type of destination in mind?
I like Bhubaneswar and I like the food and the people. Do you like them?
That's awesome to hear. Bhubaneswar definitely has a rich culture and some amazing cuisine. I'm glad you enjoy it.
So go language as well. So you got Hindi and
Yes, indeed.
I can do English.
so it will move forward and it can go up to like one lab to another lab.
Self-propelled.
I can switch between languages as needed. If you ever learn to add Hindi or any other language, just let me know.
And
Turn off red light. Hello, sport. Turn on all lights.
this training is like that.
Hello.
All are 3D only it has been developed. The first one is for the age below 12 years of student. What we have did, sir, we developed a kind interest in the drone, but as of now, we can see that drone are playing a vital role in our defense system. So to have a knowledge from a childhood only, we have developed a small version for children to have a little bit of information. Then after that, we have another version of version that is the advanced version of it, and it is the main version that is controller we use here is GPI NAJA. That has many features like it has a altitude range of 1500.
plan work is so much because under
President is here, you are touring President at CTTC. What are the Odisha government's plan for future? Is it seeking some sort of support and what are the... Can you
Yes.
just elaborate
So
on that?
first of all, we are very happy to have the World Bank president here with us. And I'm so glad that we are seeing this very wonderful facility, which has been here for so many years and has been almost 36,000 children are getting trained here on an annual basis. And many of them, in fact 100% almost, are getting jobs, not just within our country, not just within our state, but also in Japan and many other countries. So here we are very proud that many of the parts which are part of Chandrayaan and now maybe even Gaganyaan and Tejas, some of these important projects and these parts are being produced by the trainees here. And they have been appreciated by ISRO, and ISRO has also given them a machine as a prize. So we are very happy to see that. It aligns completely with what state government wants, which is employment, employment and employment.
Survey by India government. It is projected to grow for the economy in FY27 is projected to grow by 6.8 to 7.2%. Do you think it's feasible?
Absolutely. I think India has demonstrated that it can show exceptional growth. The real thing is not the percentage of growth. The real thing you need to think about is if you want to be Viksit Bharat by 2047, then this kind of facility, this kind of skilling effort, this kind of devotion of people who run facilities like this is very important. Skilling our population in India is going to be very important. You have 12 million young people becoming ready for a job every year. If you skill them the right way, then you can get them the opportunity to work in a state, in a city, in a village, in another town, and in countries overseas. You know, if I could just finish one thought for you. I think what you're seeing here is an example of the perfect way of thinking about skilling. You're not just skilling what you want to teach them. You're starting from the demand that exists. In this case, Chandrayaan and Tejas are certain kind of demand, but they're making products and components for various things. So they start from demand kya hai. Wo demand ke basis pe they are coming to what kind of skilling and people you need. And then they've got the right effort to skill them. And then they have this idea of hub and spoke. So they've got these 7 extension centers. So when you put all this together and you add to it the idea of producing overnight, so you also earn money from consulting for MSMEs, you earn money from production, what you're getting is the right kind of model. Skilling based on market demand, self-sustaining with very minimum additional financial support from the state. There is intellectual support and there is all her effort behind it and people like her. But the important thing is self-sustaining. So you should actually be very proud of what you're seeing here.
Sir, how do you see the India-EU trade deal and how it will boost the
Yeah.
confidence of business sector in India?
I mean, I think all trade deals are important. And I was telling someone the other day in Davos as well, that if you look at the way trade has changed over the last few years, in the last 20 years, global trade has quadrupled. But the share of the emerging markets has also doubled from 20% to 40%. So emerging markets like India are now a key component in trade. Second, regional and bilateral deals in the last 20 years, about 100 were signed. But if you look at it now, they're doubling the number you're signing regional and bilateral. And the India-EU trade deal is an example of that. So I think lowering both tariff and non-tariff barriers on both sides will benefit both sets of people. And I think that's a very good idea. You've got to do it in a way that that takes care of the right phasing, so you don't damage domestic industries on either side. But if you have to open up, you have to open up as well.
Right.
So
Sir,
India,
just to add,
will be needing around to create 12 million jobs annually. However, the infrastructure constraint is limiting somehow. Do you think how should India progress there?
I mean,
also, if I can include,
Yes.
talking about skilling thing, Odisha is going big way in skilling and fintech thing. So, on context of India and Odisha, how you think that?
Hanji. So first of all, the amount of infrastructure investment that has happened in India in the last 10 years is actually quite admirable. Today you land in Bhubaneswar, you see a modern airport. 280 airports, tens of thousands of kilometers of roads every year. ये हवा से नहीं आता, ये काम से होता है. And so the reality is infrastructure is being built. Do you want more infrastructure? Yes, because India is a large country with enormous opportunity in many different parts of the country. So my view is there are ways that jobs will get created, and we've talked about this in the bank very clearly. And there are three things that have to happen. One is you must have infrastructure, not just physical, but also human capital, skilling, healthcare, education. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. Second, you must have the right business-friendly policies. And there India has made some progress, but as you know, the Prime Minister is driving new changes in land and labor law. These are very important for continuing growth and ease of doing business in India. नौकरियां private sector में create होती हैं. नौकरियां सरकार में नहीं चालू होती. सरकार is the enabler, but jobs happen in the private sector. So what you have to do is create the right rules and regulations. That's the second pillar. Infrastructure, regulations, and then you need the financing for the private sector, whether it is finance or insurance for particularly MSMEs, which is why I was so happy to meet one MSME who was a graduate from here, who came back to Odisha from Pune and opened his own business, and in 25 years, he's now employing 60 people, including some graduates from here. Ye hai the real story. In addition, there are 5 sectors which will provide job growth, and India is active on those. The first is infrastructure, the construction, but then what it enables. For someone like her as Chief Secretary, she's not just interested in the infrastructure, she's interested in what happens with that infrastructure. If the port, if the roads, if the digitization of trade is done correctly, that's her interest, right? So it's the infrastructure. Second is agriculture. I think rural productivity and rural prosperity is very important. Small farmers need access to stronger markets. And better inputs, and that's kind of what we are trying to do. If you followed my last trip to Uttar Pradesh, this is what I saw there. I'm discussing the same thing here. That's the second part. The third is primary healthcare and its delivery. Again, something that India has made many strides on, but there's much more opportunity to deliver high quality primary healthcare, and that will employ nurses, medical diagnostic technicians, midwives, not just doctors. Fourth, you need to think about tourism. India has done a fairly good job on tourism, but to me the opportunity in tourism is still ahead. Remember that the number of tourists India get is still a fraction of what cities like New York and Paris get. And yet India has land, it has seas, it has mountains, it has fabulous people, great food, great culture, history, everything you want is here. If you cannot get to much higher numbers of tourism, then that's our opportunity lost as a country on the ground. And the last one is what you're seeing here, value-added manufacturing. Not just of the type you're seeing here, but look at your own state. It's rich in minerals and metals. This is a huge opportunity for where we are going. So I think if you get all this right, the infrastructure, both physical and human, if you get the policies right, if you get the right catalytic capital, those 12 million people have a very good future.
आज ये हिंदी में सर ये जिस तरह से टैरिफ का ये चल रहा है सर नया वर्ल्ड ऑर्डर दिख रहा है बन रहा है कनाडा प्राइम मिनिस्टर ट्रैवलिंग टू चाइना दे आर प्लानिंग टू कम टू इंडिया सो हाउ डू
आप पहले बोले हिंदी में फिर आप अंग्रेजी में पूछ रहे थे इंग्लिश तो आप लगा रहे हैं हाँ टैरिफ के बारे में कम सोचो आप सोचिएगा जैसे ईयू का डील आपने किया है इसमें आपकी टैरिफ की जो कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं है ये अपॉर्चुनिटी की कॉन्वर्सेशन है इंडिया की इकोनॉमी में आपके लिए एक्सपोर्ट्स एक परसेंटेज है आपकी मगर डोमेस्टिक कंजम्पशन और कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन बहुत बड़ा आपका स्ट्रेंथ है अदर कंट्रीज जैसे जो बाहर के हैं उनमें एक्सपोर्ट इज अ मच हायर परसेंटेज सो इसलिए आप टैरिफ का कम सोचो अपॉर्चुनिटी का सोचो दैट्स द वे टू थिंक अबाउट इट थैंक यू गाइस थैंक यू आई गॉट टू गो टू द नेक्स्ट थैंक यू